In this application, we'll look at packaging Hostess Ding Dongs. Hostess packages its Ding Dong snack products in 12 packs. It manufactures 22,231 cakes. How many 12 packs can it fill, and how many will be left over? To solve this, we'll use our 5-step problem-solving process, and step 1 is to familiarize ourselves with the situation. To do so, you might want to read the problem again very carefully, look at the numbers, find out what questions are being asked. One question that's asked is how many 12 packs can it fill? A very important thing to do in this step is to define a variable and actually write down what the variable stands for. And we'll call n the number of 12 packs that can be filled. So let n equal the number of packs that were going to be filled. Now, we can think of this as taking 12 away from the 22,231 repeatedly, or repeated subtraction. Since repeated subtraction corresponds to division, we can use division to translate this, and that's the next step, to translate the problem into mathematical language. To translate the problem, we want to think of this, first of all, in words. We're looking at the number of cakes divided by the number in each package, or the number in each pack, and that is the number of packs that we're going to get. That's very helpful to write that out in English in this way because now it translates directly to math. The number of cakes, we know, is 22,231. Divided by, we use the symbol division. The number per pack is 12. Is translates to equal, and the number of packs we defined as n. So we've translated to an equation 22,231 divided by 12 equals n. Now for our next step, we'll solve this equation for n. In this case, all we need to do is carry out the division. We divide 22,231 by 12. We think 12 goes into 22 one time. This is 1,000 times 12, so we subtract 12,000. And we get 10,231. Now we think 12 goes, we look at our next place here, we think 12 goes into 102 how many times? And that would be about 8. And this is actually 800. So we multiply 800 times 12, and we get 9,600. And we subtract, we get 631. Now we're working on the tens place. We drop down. We want to know 12 goes into 63 how many times? And that would be 5. Or actually it's 50 times 12. 50 times 12 is 600. So we subtract 600 from 631, and we have 31. And now we're in the ones place. 12 goes into 31 2 times. 2 times 12 is 24. We subtract and we get 7. The remainder 7 is less than 12, so we're finished. So the answer to this, whatever it means, we'll figure that out, is 1,852, remainder 7, and that's the n we were looking for. The fourth step is to check our answer in the original problem. Now we have the answer of 1,852, remainder 7. That was n, or the number of packages to be filled. So in the packages, we would have 12 in each package times 1,852 packages, which would give us a total of 22,224 ding-dongs. We have 7 left over. So if we add how many were in the packages and how many were left over, we would get 22,231, which is the total we started with. So the answer does check. The fifth step very important step, is to state our answer. To state the answer, 1,852 12 packs can be filled, and there will be 7 cakes left over.